Hey, it's Ryan from Off-Road Addiction back again. We just want to talk about our UTV and our ATV UTV products. This is our demo, 2017 RZR 1000. We've done a bunch of stuff to it, lots of super ATV products. So we have a super ATV front bumper, we have a winch, stopper, we have the super ATV upper and lower control arms. Put some big Maxxis tires on this guy. They're 32 inches. We've got some Pro Armor doors. We get some PRP seats with harness, or no, those are the original seats with PRP harnesses. And we did grab some rigid mirrors with the lights, another rigid bar. Probably my favorite thing is the Gibson exhaust, to be honest, it's dirty loud. And then we have the rest of the super ATV rear stuff. Big dirty antenna with some LEDs in it. This storage compartment. So we sell and install all these products. It's nice to come in and be able to see and touch and feel, get an idea what it would look like on your own machine. Actually, this is the JBL audio. So we really dressed this guy up. And now we're just bringing it over to our ATV, UTV parts section. So we just started it, it's new. Not really new to us, but new in the store. Here we go, we'll just walk right through it. So we grabbed some tires, just a few different tires. And again, we have the hook stopper for your winch, a couple different lift kits, some winching, a trailer hitch. These are pretty cool, just like a greasable for all your bearings. Just a little taste, just get an idea, see what people like, what they want to see. Big storage unit up here. Then we grab some bumpers, just threw them up on our wall. So again, the super ATV ones, if you notice from our RZR 1000, we had the bumpers in red, so we can get them color powder coated, or they can come like a standard black. Then we got a small fluid section, and we're just going to keep populating this as the season unfolds. All right, so that's the start of our UTV ATV section of parts and our UTV display machine. If there's anything you want to see, or products you could suggest that we want to host, or you actually want to come in and feel and touch a product, just let us know what that is. Or if you want to see any kind of videos, or you want us to demo video products, or just see us maybe launch that bad boy into space, you just tell me what it is and we'll get that done.